What if lakeside trails, skyline views, Zilker Park, and Austin's best dining and entertainment were a part of your everyday life? I'm Bridget Ramey, and welcome to the Treehouse at the Loren. Along the south side of Lady Bird Lake, the Treehouse offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and over 1,400 square feet of boutique luxury. Walls of glass open to treetop views, while white oak floors and a marble island bring warmth and style to daily living. In the owner's suite, begin and end your day with skyline views. Here, every detail elevates your lifestyle. 24-hour concierge, a rooftop pool in the sky, Nido restaurant, milk and honey spa, and direct access to the trail. Boutique luxury surrounded by everything that makes Austin iconic. This is the Treehouse.